Hello and welcome back to the Wecome officials. I am Mansoor Ahmad and today I'm here to teach you something very important. Today I'm here to teach you the difference between change, exchange and interchange. The first word, that change. What does change mean? Change means that you need something instead of another. For example, that I bought a pen from the shop, but I do not like the pen. So I go back to the shop and to the shopkeeper I say to him that sorry, I want to change this pen because I don't like it. It means that I want another one instead of this. The second one, exchange. Exchange means that, for example, you want to barter, you want to replace that thing with another. For example, that you have a pen and also I have a pen, but I do not like my pen and I like your pen. So I want your pen to be mine and I want to give my pen to you. So in that time we use that exchange. For example, I say, can we exchange? It means can we barter? Can we swap? And the last one, interchange.